Hey guys, it's Penguiz with another video, and today I'll be teaching you how to make this piggy animation. Let's get right to it. So first, you're going to want to have your piggy model. I have one in the link in the description, and I'm using this one. And honestly, you could use any model you want. It doesn't have to be this specific one. But when you have your model, you need to make sure it's rigged, and I have a video for that. We created a little while ago. It will be at the end of this video. So once you have your piggy model, you want to click on your model and click animation editor. This is the default Roblox animation editor, and you want to create an animation. I already created my animation right here. It's just a simple idle animation. And after you create your animation, you want to click these three dots right there, and you want to click export. And you can name it whatever you want. I'm gonna name mine Piggy Idol. And then after that, you click finish. And then this is the important part. You want to copy these numbers right here. This is the ID linking to your animation. You want to copy that. And then you want to create a new script in your model. You do this by clicking the plus button and clicking script. And after you created your script, you want to click on the plus button next to the script and click animation. And inside of the animations, you want to go to properties, and you go to properties by clicking view and properties. And in the animation ID area, you want to paste the numbers that you copied. And now you have your animation ready to go. So now you want to make the script. So for this part, you could just honestly just copy me. Now this is the script and there's nothing else to add. So now once you go to your workspace and click run, your piggy should be animated and it should be doing its idle animation. Now thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something from this, and make sure to hit the like and subscribe. And in the next video, I'll be showing you how to make your own piggy menu. Thanks for watching.